Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan ra siya da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Nginwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Presiden jong United Democratic Party uba Ahmed ba lingdo habajubab ya ka jingken tho ba uba Arden M Basayomot ya ki nongrim traikam jong ka party UDP halor ki mat ki bayadai bat ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited ulaong ba ka UDP ka don ya ka benta ban trailang bat ka sorkar MDA naga benta ka jingmento jong ki pat ba ulaong bah kinogino ki mat ya keren ki ba wanra ka jing sngokya ka UDP kaladap ya keren bat menteri rang ba jong ka jilla u Konrad Kongel Sangma.
I know what does Baden means when he said UDP has failed. I don't know. I mean, I will not just assume that what is there in his mind. Let him come out clearly like what he wants. I think I'll be very happy if Baden would have just called me also what is there in his mind. But however, UDP, we are in a coalition government. We are part and partners in the MDA government. We will play our role in a very constructive manner. This is what I would like to tell you. Very clear. The MECL, the government has not taken any decision as far as MECL franchisee is concerned. There are few issues. I think if you are also aware, you have been informed that on the 31st of March or April or 1st of May, I have sent a 10 points letter to the Honorable Chief Minister addressing concerns about the accusations which has appeared in the media reports from time to time, which really concerns me and the party as a whole. And in that, the Chief Minister has responded, and he has already briefed all the media also that an inquiry committee has been constituted. An inquiry team has been constituted which will look into the depth of all these allegations and accusations, whether it is right or wrong. That is first part. The second part, let me make it very clear, as far as this franchisee is concerned, distribution franchisee is concerned. Again, I have sent a letter on the 2nd of this June to the Honorable Chief Minister addressing equal concern about the MECL. And I have requested him to look into it and consider it as a most urgent. So that is what the role we are going to play. So whenever we are in the government, we should always be there to play a constructive role. That is our role we have to play. Whenever we find anything wrong anywhere, we will never, stay back or, relax and just consider that we are in a coalition. Whenever we find something or the other within the government, be it anyone, we will address the issues. But since we are in the coalition, we will address internally with the concern thing. And the head of the team is the Chief Minister. So we have to address the Chief Minister whenever these issues comes up from time to time.
Susu ulaong ru baya kamat kabayadai bat ka jingken no ti doyong bean hapo ka jela nagaliang jong ba lakmen rumbui ulaong ru ba UMLE jong ka UDP bat menteri jong ka sarkar jela uladep simkhia ban pensngo syagi tendong skor jong menteri rang ba.
Government should never tolerate any kind of illegal activities, be it coal mining or anything. They should not tolerate. But however, I think sometimes which is out of your eyesight or something like that, it becomes so difficult. But I was happy to see that the Home Minister has given a very, very clear indication and clear statement that stern action will be taken against those who are involved in the illegal mining. That is up to the government. I mean, what the Congress is telling, I have no, is asking the government, so it's up to the government to see how deep is the matter, maybe 1 or 2 cases. And this was happening also, right earlier also, 10 years, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. It used to happen. But one should not allow, one should not encourage. Any government means they have to come to, action. And since I have said just now that the Home Minister himself has already given a very strong statement that law will take its own course and stringent actions will be taken against those who are involved in these illegal activities.